let's explore the student experience for 1st through 2nd grade in Ignite Christian Academy by AOP. Each school day, your child will complete lessons by logging into their student dashboard, and throughout the week, you will support them using the parent dashboard resources. Additionally, you can rely on ICA teachers to support your child as often as desired through direct instruction opportunities like one-on-one tutoring and group classes. During the early elementary years, you'll be more hands-on as the primary teacher, helping your child master the skills they'll need for independent study online, which typically begins in Ignite 3rd grade courses. There's a certified teacher assigned to each child. Students have direct access to one-on-one appointments, group classes, and clubs. Parents grade daily work and students submit assignments to certified teachers. As independence is established, parents are encouraged to partner with their child to help them manage their schedule by setting agreed-upon deadlines that align with the child's ICA start date and partnership with ICA teachers for grading deadlines. This helps develop students' time management and critical thinking skills. Attention spans are limited at this developmental stage, so we recommend each lesson be kept to 20 to 30 minutes. Enrollment at Ignite ensures academic guidance for your child and social-emotional support provided by our certified teachers and professionals on staff. It also ensures direct teacher instruction opportunities for your child and a community for you as a homeschool parent. Students also have the opportunity to participate in clubs, fairs, and more with their peers through teacher-moderated platforms. The greatest benefit of Ignite Christian Academy by AOP for 1st and 2nd grade is the ability to learn at home with the full support of an academy, licensed teachers, and counselors who are committed to help all students grow academically and spiritually through a Christian worldview. Is Ignite Christian Academy right for your 1st through 2nd grade student? Schedule a free advisor call and start building your child's foundational skills today.